Hello everybody. In this video, we will just discuss next control statement, that is a while control statement in Python. Okay. So while is one of the iterative control statement in Python. So what exactly iterative control statement is? So same statement if you want to execute multiple time unless and until particular condition will not become false. What I said, same statement if you want to execute multiple time until and unless particular condition will not become false. If this is your requirement, then in such situation you can use one of the iterative control statement in program. Okay. Now Python supports a various iterative control statement, like first one is while, one more is there, that is repeat while, and finally obviously there is for control statement. Okay, so out of that here we'll just discuss while control statement. Okay, now this is a syntax of while. If you want to use while in your program, then we have to write a while keyword, and in front of that we have to write condition. What exactly condition means? Condition means it is an expression whose result will be either true or false. So such condition we have to here write. Okay. So how Python interpreter execute this while? When control will come here, it will just check whether this condition is true or false. If this condition is true, then it will just statement or execute all statement in from the body of while, and once again control will come here on this condition. Okay, and again it will check whether condition is true or false. Okay, so initially what I said, initially it will just check condition. If condition is true, it will just execute statement 1 to all statement from while body. Okay, and after execution of last statement, once again it will just transfer its control to condition, and it will just check whether it is whether the condition is still true or false. If it is true, once again it will just execute all statements. So this process will repeat. Here statement 1 to n will be executed until and unless the condition that we are writing in front of while will not become false. Okay. Now let us discuss this point with the help of one program. Okay. Now suppose I want to display a natural number. Okay, from 1 to 10. I want to display natural number from 1 to 10. Okay. So if this is the case, then initially here will require one variable. Okay. So initially I am assigning value for this variable as 1. Okay. And then I want to use while control statement. So how to use while? We have to write a while, and in front of while we have to write condition. So I have to display natural number from 1 to 10. So here we have to write condition like n1 n must be less than or equal to 10, and then in front of that you have to give colon. Okay, and then in the body of while, here we can write like print n. Okay, and then here we have to write like this, n is equal to n plus 1. That's it. So how this program will be executed? Initially I am writing assigning value for n as 1. So initial value of n will become 1. Then control will come here on while 1 less than equal to 10, true. Condition true. If this condition is true, then control will come inside. So here what we have written, we just print value of n. So at first iteration, what is value of n? 1. So it will just print n as 1. Then next statement will be executed. So now because of this statement, new value of n will become what? 2. Initially value of n is 1, so 1 plus 1, new value of n will become 2. Now this is the last statement of while. So after execution of this line, control will again come on condition. Now updated value of n is what? It is 2. 2 less than 10? Yes, 2. Will come inside, will print 2. Then n will become 3. So 3 less than 10? Yes. Again will print 3. Then n will become 4. 4 less than 10? True. So it will just print n as 4. Okay. So likewise, when value of n will become 10, 10 less than equal to 10, true. Come inside will print 10. Then n will become what? 11. And then 11 less than equal to 10, condition false. So last value that will get on command prompt will be 10. Condition, if this condition is false, then it will not execute the statement that we are writing in the body of while. Okay, so let me execute this program once again. Loop.py. See here, we are getting number from 1 to 10. Okay, so I want to start with 1. That's why initial value of n I have mentioned as 1. So I want to display number up to 10. That's why I have written condition as n must be less than equal to 10. And then I want to increment every next number will be plus 1 in previous. That's why here I have written n is equal to n plus 1. what will happen if I write like n is equal to n plus 2? Then in that case, initial value of n will become 1, 1 less than 10, true. Okay, then we'll print 1. And then plus 2 means next value of n will become 3. So 3 less than 10, true. So it will just print 3. So I want to show you output of this one as well. See here, we are getting number as 13579. What if I want to display number up to 100? Just in the condition, make it as 100. Okay, once again you can execute. See here, it has just display all the number with the difference to from 1 to 100. If I want to display numbers from 50 to 100, then in that case initial value of n must be 50. Okay, and 50 to 100 with increment 1 means 51 up to 100. Then in that case you can write this program in this way. See here, we are getting number from 50 to 100. Okay, so here increment by 1. If I write here increment by 2, then what will happen? Initial value of n will be 50, then 52, 54 up to 100. Let me show you output. See here, 50, 52, 54 up to 100. Okay, I hope you are getting this point. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for further updates.